society. People need more new things to satisfy.
You can start over. Start over. We don't have. Don't turn that off. Just leave that going. You leave that going for the whole filming, and then you edit afterwards.
Okay.
Right? And action.
With the improvement of today's society, people need more new things to satisfy themselves. Technology seems more and more important because it can be used to follow the trend of time. At first, technology can satisfy people's needs. For example, people want to connect with others when they are far away from each other. As time goes on, people thought that the telephone is not convenient enough. So they invented the cell phone, and the cell phone is more lighter and smaller. Here's another example. People do not want to live in the dark, so they invented lights. And they do not want to waste a lot of resources, so they invented energy efficient light bulbs. People always came up with a lot of ideas when they need to improve their quality of life, so they can satisfy themselves.
Hold on a second. Okay. In energy efficient light bulbs, where you had that pause, you'll do a cut. Now start again from there, from energy efficient light bulbs, and then because it was too much laughing, so you won't be able to pick it up. Okay. Start again from people didn't want to waste things.
So is it before the light bulb?
Yeah. People didn't want to waste things, so they invented energy efficient light bulbs.
People do not want to waste resources, so they created energy efficient light bulbs. People always came up with a lot of ideas to improve their quality of life and a new technology to satisfy themselves. Second, technology is useful for education. With the technology of the online researching of libraries and books, students can do research very quickly. Teachers can also use new technology to make educational games for students. This makes the students more interested in class and make high productiveness. And also with technology, students can use the internet to search for information put up by museums and other educational institutions. NASA, for instance, offers a program that allows students to talk to astronauts in space. Now, people pay more attention on developing children. They figure that the technology can also have a big impact on developing children. Although the technology like TV, computers, will affect the children's health, but these things can also bring a lot of things to children. Children can learn a lot by watching TV, which may not be taught by teachers in school, and they may have a lot of interest in them to figure them out. They can find out the things which they are really interested in. New technologies focus on the environment, make people know what they need to do for the environment. At the beginning of medieval times, people destroyed the forests and polluted the water, and they do not know how to save the environment. And then they strike back by the environment. Earthquake, war, and typhoon. They began to figure out why the weather was like this. So new technology is used to monitor the pollution and the resource reserve. It makes people have a sense of environment protection. The sixth advantage in saving resources, the technology is developing in a high speed. Many industries have started the transformation of development mode. The accurate computer power is added to the many different kinds of machines. The great action conserves the resources further. For an example, in the past, the steel industry is very important for every industrial country. However, the company didn't have the modern technology and they had to waste a lot of resources when they puddling. Now everything has changed. And the efficiency of using resources is close to the optimal proportion. We don't need to exploit resources from the environment. The seventh advantage is the importation of air quality. In the past, human large scales used the coal and fossil oil fuel. Some bad gas were discharged when flaming the coal and fossil fuel. Acid rain is a good example. It has bad influence to the environment. Now the technology gives people the best help. The scientists can use some central lift to wave off the bad elements. Now the clean energy is developing. We can use water to produce the useful fuel. That is unimaginable in the past. The eighth advantage is recycle. Because of the development of technology, humans can reproduce the material by themselves. Even if the scientists can make rubbish things become useful, it is a reclamation. The rubbish is a big treasure which humans haven't used completely. As we all know, the rubbish is very cheap and full of resources. If we can't deal with the rubbish, and it may become a big menace for the environment.